So, ayun guys, kami ay mag-on board na. Nakapila na kami. Hello, hi. So, ito yung flight namin ngayon. Shout out! Shout out, Hong Kong Express. Very bad. Shut up, Dance. Hi. What's your name? Huh? Did you enjoy in Disneyland?
Yeah.
Oh? Did you ride? No? Where did you go? Some places. You go. I go in. Huh? Frozen and Winnie the Pooh? How many days you stay here? 5 days? Wow. And next time, what destination you want to go there?
Tokyo.
Tokyo? Wow. So you are more money. You are rich?
You are rich, ba?
You are rich? Huh?
I mean, no.
Why you are roaming around and go visiting another country if you don't have money? Is it daddy, mommy have a lot of money?
My mommy
Huh?
has a lot of money.
Oh, can I ask mommy to have money again? Huh? 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 Ayun guys, papasok na tayo. Hi vlog! Hong Kong Express! No more! Sorry guys. I'm very disappointed guys. Ang yung hand carry niya na small luggage na malita, tinapon niya at ito na ang pinalit. O, di wow. O, di wow.
Di wow talaga. Nakaka-high blood.
O, di wow. O, di wow Hong Kong Express. Sorry. Talaga, ayoko na talaga kasi naano ako na aftershock talaga ako sa 600 Hong Kong dollar kung nabinayad doon. Alam nga naman, itapon ko yung mga bagahe ko.
Yeah.
Kaysa 600, di ba? Para sa akin naman, kahit hindi yun gaano kamahal yung mga laman doon, pero mas mahalaga ko naman yung mga nasa loob ng malita ko. Di ba? Kasi kahit hindi naman yun umabot ng 600 Hong Kong dollar yung mga... Hey Michael, belated happy birthday. Come. I have talk to you. I have a question.
What?
Okay. You are only visiting here in Hong Kong.
Yes.
It means that you have a lot of money. Yeah. Your mommy and daddy have a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
Because you are only roaming around, enjoying the places. Me, I'm working here. So, yeah, so you are so lucky, guys.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Yen Lagan TV.
Yandalaga TV?
Yeah.
Okay.
You subscribe me. I will upload.
Wait.
I uploaded this
Yeah,
one.
I need the Yandalaga TV.
Okay, you search in my channel.
Okay, Yandalaga.
Oh, just so ayun guys, ito yung Hong Kong Express. Ito yung eroplano niya. So maliit lang siya. So sobrang stricto niya sa luggage, guys. Pero kaya naman siya talaga kung ano doon. Pero yun lang.
Punta ka sa bahay.
Bye Hong Kong Express. Bye Hong Kong Express. See you next time. Shout out. Sakit sa tainga. Hi guys. Welcome back. So ayun, nandito na tayo sa Pilipinas. Okay naman siya. Ay, yung maliit yung aeroplano pero shaky siya guys. Maalok. Ano ba to? Ba't itong babasa? Anong basa to? Wala naman akong tubig. Ano ba to? nasa Pilipinas na tayo ulit. Sakit nito.
Tingnan mo kung bani account mo.
Arrivals. So, ito na tayo. Arrive na tayo. Discover Huan by Huan. Bakit Huan by Huan? So, next stop is immigration terminal scanner. Immigration tayo. Pipila. So, ayun guys, boarding na tayo papunta ng Tacloban.
Wala ba tayong baggage sa ID?
Tacloban na siya. Ayan na, papasok tayo dito. See you, Pinas. See you. See you, mga anak. Mama. Surprise talaga ito na uwi. First time ko kayo mag-flight na madaling araw papunta sa amin. 3:35.
Final call for boarding for the last departing class, Buffer Tacloban, Flight 5J 649. Flight 5J 649, Ivana Villegas. So Flight 5J 649, Buffer Tacloban. If you are around, this is your last and final call. Final call to board, call number boarding gate 118.
Choose na pili mo, no?
So, ayun guys. Pupunta na tayo sa Tacloban. Tacloban destination na tayo. Flight natin is 3:35 ng umaga. Madaling araw. So, antok na talaga. Sarap na talaga matulog. So, ito yung bakasyon na masusurprise sila. Walang alam-alam.
May we request all
Kaalam-alam.
guests to please remain in your assigned seats as we're about to close the main cabin door. Cabin crew, please stand by.
Ang hirap ng service ko na ipapati. Tada!
We are about to close the main cabin door. All ground personnel, please disembark now. Cabin crew.
So, ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Tacloban. So, bye na di. Bye na di. Agardos na mukha, wala pang tulog. Grabe yung turbulence niya guys. Na-experience ko talaga anong ibig sabihin ng turbulence.